So this is the ad hoc report module. Currently it's still under development, but it's in early access, so we can actually use it to try around and play with the demo. On the left here, you have your data fields within the data set, and these are all readily dragged and dropped into either groups or fields. So groups is how you want to define the blocks in your report, and fields are what column to show and how you want to show them. So for example, we can go ahead and throw in this order priority into the field box. So you can see now it's listing down every single record of your 1000 records as the order priority, right? A little bit messy, so let's put in some groupings. So we'll put in order quarter as the first group. Okay, so right off the bat you can see now it's grouped into the year followed by the quarter. In terms of groups, there's also no limit to how many you can put in. So for example, if you want to add in another group, let's say sales channel, you can now see that 2010 is split into both offline and online with their respective sales channel. So let's go ahead and add more fields to make the report look more complete. So we can put in things like total revenue, processing time, and days to process. Okay, so if you want to do a sort, right, just click onto the 3 dots over here, and then we'll say let's sort by ascending, so that now the records are all sorted by how long it took to process the sale. We can also go ahead and add in some functions such as median. So you want to know what is the median days to process each sale. You can also add in things like sum. So you want to know what is the total revenue for that quarter in terms of each channel. Right, so you can see over here in 2010 Q1 offline, we have a median of 18 days to process, and we have a total revenue of 18 million. Whereas in online sales, we have 31 million total revenue with a median of 38 days to process. And finally, in terms of the entire 2010 Q1, right, we have a total revenue of 49 million with median of 20 days to process. So this is the presentation of the report in a block form, right? The reason why it's called block is because we have each blocks like so, right? So you have each group being an individual block, and then you have your details within them. We also have alternatives such as summary views. So the summary view will show you each of the grouping as the summary. So this is equivalent to the bottom part of your blocks, like over here, right? So you have this offline, the summation, online summation, and then finally the Q1 summation. So that's what you see in the summary view. You can also use drill down. So drill down's a little bit like the summary view, right? But we split them into the groups. So each level is defined by how many groups you have. So let's say your first group is order quarter, hence the first level is order quarter. So if you click on it, you expect to see sales channel, which is offline or online. And if you click on them again, now you have the individual details. You can also do filterings. So for example, if you want to filter by the different order months, you can go ahead and select one of this. So this is the Visualiser demo. As you can see, the UI is actually very similar. It's also based on drag and drop. So you have rows, columns, and values. So values is how you aggregate your data. So you can go ahead and throw in some information over here. So let's say we want to put in sales channel as the rows, okay, or you want to put in sales channel as a column. You'll see that they rotate as you drag and drop. So let's go ahead and put in things like order priority and processing time, followed by some aggregation. So if, for example, you use something like order ID, right, being a number, it automatically sums for you, but because it's an ID, actually you just want to use count. So you can see offline order for less than 10 days of order priority high, we have 21, and so on. So you can also easily toggle between them. So this is actually a pivot table. You can try and change the type of pivot table that you want to use, or you can also use charts. So you can see we have a large collection over here. So you can use your conventional bar charts and even the more interesting ones like hierarchical charts, such as this over here. So you can say, let's say we want to only analyze order priority of high. You can see then You know, it's about almost a 50-50 split of offline online, and you know, almost 50%. In fact, the order takes more than 4 weeks to process.